Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you some simple method that you can do to make simple daily trading and make profit with your crypto. I think you will like this, so sit back, relax, and we're starting right now. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel or if you're just starting in crypto, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any future video, because most of my video will be for people starting in crypto and I'll be giving you a lot of tips and tricks. Alright, so let's start with today's video. So today I'll show you a very simple way how you can start doing some trading on different trading platforms and have a successful trading profit. I've been using this trick now for quite a long time and it's still one of my favorites. So I'll give you all the detail and how to make it work for you. So to start off, you will need to go on a website called tradingview.com. I'll put the link in the description, so just in case, but it's tradingview.com. Just open up an account. It's free. There's no charge. And the reason for that is that you'll be able to save your setting after. So when you're back to that website, it will be easier for you to access your stuff. So go on the website, register your account, and you should see something similar to this. But just to give you a little bit hint, all you have to do is you're probably gonna have somewhere at the top of your screen a place where it's gonna say my chart. So just click on my chart so you can see your first chart. Probably won't be anything related to Bitcoin. So first thing we need to do is to go get the Bitcoin chart. So for that, you're gonna go right at the top on the left and you're just gonna click over here. And right here, what you're going to do is type BTC for Bitcoin. And in my case, I'll do the example with USDT, so US dollar tether. So it will be USDT. And then you have to select on which exchange you'll be exchanging your coin. So personally, I use Binance. All you have to do, well, actually it's the first one on the list, so you have to make sure you're selecting the proper exchange. So it would be this one, so Bitcoin to Tether US on the Binance exchange. So you just select that and then it will show up on your screen. So from there, I'll give you a couple settings that you're gonna have to adjust and then I'll show you how it works. So first thing we need to do, I'll put a chart. Well, I have a document right here. So we'll be doing two settings. So one setting will be EMA, so our EMA 200, and then we'll be using what we call the 4 EMA. So if we go with the first one, EMA 200, so you'll see right here at the top where you see indicator, just click on the indicator and type EMA. So the one we're looking for is the moving average exponential. And what you can do is just select the little star right here to make it yellow. So it will be easier for you later down the road if you need to reaccess this indicator. So all you have to do is just select it. And when it's done, close this window and you will see it will be showing up right here in the corner. So what we need to do, we'll just need to change some of the settings. So just click right here for the setting. And then we'll go to input and the length, we'll put 200. And then go to style and change the color. For this example, I'll use the gray bar because currently my team, my color for my trading view, it's dark. So for me, it's easier to use light color. But for this one, it doesn't really matter. Just use the color you prefer, but I use gray. And then select right here at the bottom, just select the thickness. Just select the second one. So it's a little bit thicker, a little bit easier to see. And when it's done, just click OK. So now we're showing a line right here, which is the gray EMA 200. So this is my first one. The second one will be what we call the 4 EMA, and there will be 4 different settings that we will need to add. So we go back right here to the indicator, and then we type 4EMA. And the one we'll be using is this one right here. Then again, you can just select the little star if you want to keep them for later on. So we just need to click on it. It will show up right here. So we're done, the X. And then from here, we can go to the setting. And then we use the 4 different numbers that we need to enter. So we'll be 8, 13, 21, 55. So right here, input 8, 13, 21, and 55. And then we have to go to the color, because the color will be very important. So that's why I put them here. So the 4EMA 8 will be blue, and then the EMA 13 will be green. EMA 21 will use yellow, and then for the EMA 55 we'll be using the red color. So let's start with the first one. It will be blue. Can go here, select blue, and then second one, green. So we go here, select green, and then the third one, we said yellow. I'll put this yellow, and then the last one will be red, like this. And then again, just forgot, but make sure your thickness, you select the second one and put this at 100. Same thing with the second one, 100, this, third one, and the last one. All right, so it should look like this. So EMA 9, 13, 21, 55, blue, green, yellow, and red. Click OK. Now we see the 4 line showing up right here on our graph. So the thing you need to remember is this. So when we have in this order, so let's say we have the blue, the green, the yellow, and the red in that particular order on the chart, it means it's a uptrend price of the crypto itself, or Bitcoin, that we'll be looking at right now. And if the line are on the opposite side, it means that it's good for short, or it's going down. So it's a downtrend pattern that it's happening right now. I'll give you an example. So we see right now we have our trend line right here. The first thing to look at, it's at the gray one. So the gray one, what's the EMA 200, is just the trending pattern right now with the Bitcoin. Is it on the uptrend right now, or is it on the downtrend? So if the price of Bitcoin is above the line, it's mean right now it's an uptrend. So the price long term, it's probably going up. If the price is below the gray line, it's down. It means that the trend right now, it's on the downtrend. So it's probably for the next couple hours or day, it will probably keep going down for a while until it crosses back. So it's a good to know when you start trading. It's good to know what's the trend right now. Is it going up or is it going down? Because you don't want to start trading too high if the price is going down, or you don't want to short too low if the price start going up and you cannot buy cheaper crypto Bitcoin later down the road. So let's do an example. We'll go back right here. We'll just select, let's say right here. All right, so let's go with an uptrend. It will be easier to start with. All right, so right here we see that the Bitcoin, it's above the gray line. So we know right now it's on the uptrend. So let's say we would like to do some trading. So the best way to enter a trade or to buy some coin, it's when the price, when the price will be going up, so to make a profit. So it would have to be in that particular order: blue, green, yellow, and red. So if we go here and we see that there's a pattern right here, and then right here it shifts. So we have the blue, the green, the yellow, and red. So when we see those four lines align exactly the way they are, it means the price is on the uptrend. And when we're doing this, for me, I use it on the 5 minutes. So we're right here at the top, you have different time patterns. So every candle represents a time pattern depending which one you select. So it worked perfectly on the 5 minute. You can also use it on the 30 minute, or you could use it on the 1 hour chart. It's still working fine. It all depends how many time a day or a week you would like to trade. If you use it on the 1 hour, the trade will last longer. And if you use it on the 5 minutes, well, you could probably do a quicker profit a couple times a day. So, all right, where was I? Right here. So if we look right here, we can see that there's an uptrend right here. So we have the blue, green, yellow, and red. So at this point, it would be a good time. And we know we're going on the uptrend because of the EMA 200. It's below the current price. So if somebody would like, okay, I'll do some little bit trading. So you could start right here. So let's say you purchase your coin or your Bitcoin at $23,333, and you enter your trade right here. So all you have to do is wait until the line cross back to the other direction. So let me show you an example. So we have the 4 color right here. So we enter the trade right here and we wait. And as we can see, the price is going up, up, up. It's still going up, still going up. The line are not crossing. It's still going up, and now it starts to cross. So not quite. Usually, I'll show you. There's two possibilities what we can do. So at this point, it's still going up, going up, going up, going up. Wow, this one was a very, very good example. So now it's still going down, but it's not a perfect time yet to sell. It still didn't cross yet. So we wait. We wait. So we still have the blue, green, yellow, and red, but they're not the opposite way. So it's still at this point, we have two options. If we don't know what's going down right here, we could say, okay, maybe it's going down. So you could sell a portion of your trade right here. You would have made a very good profit all the way up to here. Or you could wait. Or if you're not sure, what I do, I'll sell a little bit at this point and I'll see how it goes. And then I'll sell off when it completely crosses. So at this point I said, okay, maybe it's going down. I'll sell a little bit of my Bitcoin and I'll wait. And then you wait, and then you wait. And as you can see, it's still moving sideways. We wait, and now it's going down right here. So now it crossed completely the opposite. Now we have red, yellow, green, and blue. So at this point, it would be a time to sell off your coin, because that means probably the coin will go down right after this. So we just wait and wait and wait, and now it starts to go a little bit down. We wait, we wait, we wait, and now it's going, it still didn't, now it crossed back again right here. So that's when the Bitcoin going sideways, sometimes it does happen. It might go down a little bit and then will go up right after it. So at this point you can wait to re-enter the trade, or you can re-enter the trade right now, depending what we want to do, because we did sell around this price right here, somewhere here. So at this point, to re-enter the trade right here, it's not necessarily a good deal. So it's probably the best to wait, or you could just re-enter as soon it switch again, like right here. So we have the blue, the green, the yellow, and the red. So you could just re-enter there and see how it goes. And then it would be probably a small profit, just to have an idea. Let's say we start right here, and then we went up to here. Yeah, that's only 0.23%, so it's not a big profit. So that's why it could be a good idea just to wait and keep looking at it the way it performed. So we're just gonna wait a little bit to re-enter the trade. So at this point, yeah, it did cross. Yeah, so we have the blue, the green, the yellow, and the red. So at this point we said, okay, we can re-enter the trade. So you can repurchase some of your Bitcoin right here and see how long it's gonna go. So now it's going up, going up, going up. And we wait, we wait, we wait, we wait. Still going up. So we started right here. So at any time you can sell off your trade, or you can just wait. So let's measure how many profit we did. So if I click right here, we enter the trade right here. So up to here we are at 1.5%. So we can keep going up. Oh wow, okay. Keep going up, going up, going up. And it's two of the line crosses, but it's still going up, and then it goes down. When those really fast, when it go down like this very fast, sometimes it's hard to predict. So at this point you could just wait, because usually when it goes down so fast, as you can see, it's pretty far right now from the 4 line we have right here, the 4 EMA. So usually when it does that, it does come back pretty quickly to where it should be, or it can keep going down. But since we are on the uptrend, so we're still above the gray line, it means probably the Bitcoin will start to go up again. So at this point we could just sell off. We would have made a very good profit, or we could just wait and see if we can make a little bit more profit out of it. So just wait, and then you can select when you want to sell your trade. But at this point, if we haven't decided to sell them and just keep going, well, it's cross again and it's going up, because we know since it's above the EMA 200 here, the gray line, well, there's a good chance that the Bitcoin will go back up. And then from there we just keep going until it cross. So it start to cross right here. We said, okay, I can sell off. I did make a good profit out of it. I'll sell my coin right here. And then you can just let it go. And then I'm at the end of the chart, and then you can re-enter when the 3 colors switch. So at this point it would have been a good trade. So this is live right now. So I would sell my coin right here, and then I would wait until it cross the other way to re-enter the trade again. So you can do that. So a good way, it's just to practice. Just do like what I did and try to simulate if you would be able to do some profit trade. But then again, that's not 100% accurate, but most of the time it worked very good, and it's successful for me. And you can also use it on the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, there will be for people that just want to do trades here and there. So you can look at your trend line, and then you can say, okay, it's crossing right here, so I'll enter the trade right here. So that was November 28. So you can just enter your trade and you leave it there until it cross again, or when you're happy with your profit. So we enter right here, November 28, and right here it was on December 1st. So it was a couple day trade, which would give you a fairly good profit. Or you could wait when it started going down again, like when the three lines start to cross right here, it said, okay, I'm selling right here. So even though it went down here, went back up, you still make a good profit. And you could just re-enter the trade again or sell off some of your coin when it goes the opposite way. So let's see an example where it would be a good timing to sell off your coin. So right now, if we look right here, it crossed. So we got the blue, the green, the yellow, and the red. So I said, okay, right here, I'm selling off my coin. So that's right, actually right here. So that's on November 25th. And you let it go until it crosses again. So that would be November 28th. So 2 days later, it would be a, let's see, about right here, up to maybe here, right here. That's almost 6.3% of profit. So it does work very good on the 1 hour chart on 5 minute. I do prefer the 5 minute chart. Sometimes if I'm sitting at the computer or I'm not far from my computer, I like to do maybe 1, 2, or 3 trade in a day. So if I make, let's say, 1% or 0.75% per trade, and I do like 2 or 3 trade, well, it could be like a 2 or 3% profit in one day, which is could be very interesting. But like I said, practice, try to look at it when you could see some good entry point or sell off point, and then you'll be able to understand a little bit more. But make sure you do remember on the order that it has to be done before entering a trade, or if you want to sell your trade. But like I said, I've been using those for quite a long time, and it does work, I would say 75% of the time. So just look for your trend. Make sure that your EMA 200, you look at it at the beginning to find out if you're on an uptrend or a downtrend. So it will help you to make a proper decision. So I hope you did like this video. If you did like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you'll be able to see my future video. So until then, I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.